100 short sentences. Please shadow my speech in the middle pauses. It is a small room to live. It is a small room to live. I like food outside. I like food outside. I prefer to take bed tea every morning. I prefer to take bed tea every morning. I would love to cook for you. I would love to cook for you. Have you finished your work? Have you finished your work? What's going on? What's going on? Let's move on and leave behind the riot. Let's move on and leave behind the riot. She's hiding my car key. She is hiding my car key. Who has kept my pillow in here? Who has kept my pillow in here? Are you coming today? Are you coming today? Where have you been for a long time? Where have you been for a long time? Show me what's in your hand. Show me what's in your hand. I'm sure you'll be agreed. I'm sure you'll be agreed. She has kept her books in cupboard. She has kept her books in cupboard. Give me some time to think. Give me some time to think. The woman is taking this matter seriously. The woman is taking this matter seriously. It was just an accident. It was just an accident. Have you submitted your documents? Have you submitted your documents? It's been raining since morning. It's been raining since morning. I'm clear-headed about it. I am clear-headed about it. This is none of your business. This is none of your business. I prefer to prepare the meal at home. I prefer to prepare the meal at home. What's your planning for the next week? What's your planning for the next week? I notice that you're not serious. I notice that you're not serious. She was telling the story of a journey. She was telling the story of her journey. It was very hard to row the boat. It was very hard to row the boat. I like uncooked vegetables to eat. I like uncooked vegetables to eat. You spoke harshly last night. You spoke harshly last night. I've cut the fruit. I have cut the fruit. Sorry for being late. Sorry for being late. You haven't captured my photo yet. You haven't captured my photo yet. He is such a loser. He is such a loser. She belongs to a royal family. She belongs to a royal family. I'm going to purchase 2 cats. I'm going to purchase 2 cats. What a pretty doll you have. What a pretty doll you have. He helps the poor people. He helps the poor people. I can see this movie every night. I can see this movie every night. You have lost your post in this office. You have lost your post in this office. Let's have a dispute. Let's have a dispute. My mother gives me best advice. My mother gives me best advice. The child is weeping. The child is weeping. I haven't seen you before. I haven't seen you before. She was sorry for her deeds. She was sorry for her deeds. It is very difficult to apologize. It is very difficult to apologize. I beg your pardon. I beg your pardon. This dress is unfit for me. This dress is unfit for me. I am inexperienced for this job. I am inexperienced for this job. Let's order a large pizza tonight. Let's order a large pizza tonight. Children are crying for food. Children are crying for food. I can give you one ice cream. I can give you one ice cream. The more you speak, the more you waste. The more you speak, the more you waste. Why don't you trust me? Why don't you trust me? She has broken her promise. She has broken her promise. This novel is very interesting. This novel is very interesting. She has abundant hair. She has abundant hair. She has a long hair. She has a long hair. I like the questioning expression in his eyes. I like the questioning expression in his eyes. May you live happy, healthy, and long life. May you live happy, healthy, and long life. Please note down the instructions. Please note down the instructions. I'm enjoying good health. I am enjoying good health. The deep water was having a magical effect. The deep water was having a magical effect. Try to sell your property as soon as possible. Try to sell your property as soon as possible. The best way is to change yourself. The best way is to change yourself. I'm done with it. I am done with it. Never speak and spell wrong. Never speak and spell wrong. It was an ironic statement. It was an ironic statement. It's a fabulous practice, obviously. It's a fabulous practice, obviously. Every treatise was informative in the book fair. Every treatise was informative in the book fair. The poor girl paid a heavy cost. The poor girl paid a heavy cost. The writer wrote a circular play. The writer wrote a circular play. I'm sure that the nature can't be changed. I'm sure that the nature can't be changed. I wish to attend the party tonight. I wish to attend the party tonight. Some women have a heart like a deep ocean. Some women have a heart like a deep ocean. She is the football champion in our college. She is the football champion in our college. It's an awesome poetic diction. It's an awesome poetic diction. My child has learned the phonics this week. My child has learned the phonics this week. Please don't judge me. Please don't judge me. Who has taken bath in my bathroom? Who has taken bath in my bathroom? I have warned him many times. I have warned him many times. She takes boiled eggs in the morning. She takes boiled eggs in the morning. Fajita is my favorite flavor in pizzas. Fajita is my favorite flavor in pizzas. I hope you have learned from your past experience. I hope you have learned from your past experience. Please be ready sharp at 8. Please be ready sharp at 8. Who has stolen my perfume? Who has stolen my perfume? This boy has been missing since 1 year. This boy has been missing since 1 year. Please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me. My mother forbids me to eat sugar. My mother forbids me to eat sugar. The child has started crawling. The child has started crawling. What an incredible situation it is. What an incredible situation it is. I haven't seen such an impudent soul like you. I haven't seen such an impudent soul like you. I am going to have an expedition. I'm going to have an expedition. Try to be quick in taking decisions. Try to be quick in taking decisions. Look at that magician. Look at that magician. I have purchased a beautiful house. I have purchased a beautiful house. Please pick me at 4 p.m. Please pick me at 4 p.m. Please be quiet and pay some attention. Please be quiet and pay some attention. Listen to me very carefully now. Listen to me very carefully now. You can't leave me in such a critical situation. You can't leave me in such a critical situation. What about the promises you made? What about the promises you made? Was it really difficult to read? Was it really difficult to read? Thanks for reading all these sentences with me. Take care. Goodbye.